Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are studying at your home and all are safe at your home. Children, in the last week we have done two videos of lesson number 2, My India. First video about the introduction about the country and some amazing facts about the country, and in the second video we have seen few areas like what are the landforms and different types of landforms, and we have already started with the states and capital of the south direction. So today we will see new things of the chapter. So let's start. But before starting, first we will recall what we have studied in the last video. So let's recall first. Children, land forms we have seen, that is the different forms of land like mountains, land, plains, plateaus, peninsular plateaus, right, etc. These are the different forms of land. Land के अलग-अलग form होते हैं. Then we have seen India has 28 states and 8 union territories. कितने states है? 28 states and 8 union territories. Then we have seen that 7 state and its capital in the south direction. South में जो 7 state है and उसके capitals we have plotted it in the map. I have asked you children to plot this 7 states and capitals in the map. Map में आपको लिखने को मैंने बोला था. I hope you all have done. We will revise first वो 7 स्टेट जो साउथ के हैं हमने किए हैं, हम उसको रिवाइज कर सकते हैं. I ask you to take the help of your textbooks or your students book for the plotting of the map. So which are the states we have seen is, first is Kerala और उसका capital है Thiruvananthapuram. I hope this Kerala is visible to everyone and उसका capital है Thiruvananthapuram. Next one is Tamil Nadu and उसका capital है Chennai. This is Tamil Nadu और उसका capital है Chennai. Next we have seen is Karnataka and Karnataka का capital है Bangalore. Okay. Then we have seen Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh, here it is, and its capital is Hyderabad. Same way there is Telangana और उसका भी capital है Hyderabad. Don't get confused between these two because it has one capital only, that is the Hyderabad. Maharashtra, that is where it is, and its capital is Mumbai. Children, Maharashtra can also be included in the west of the India also, and it can be also included in the south of India also. So I have taken in the both the sides. So first here we have seen is Maharashtra, that is Mumbai, and last we have seen that is Odisha. Odisha का capital क्या है? Bhubaneswar. I hope you all have done this plotting of the map of the south direction. So children, today what we are going to study is Northern Plains. Northern Plains different landforms है वो देखेंगे. Different landform में 2 landforms देखेंगे. That is, one is the Northern Plains and second we will see about the desert. Easy one. Okay. Then we will see Union Territories and its capital. आज हम Union Territories and its capitals भी देखेंगे, and we will study 7 more states of the north direction and its capital. Okay, so let's start. So Northern Plains. Okay, children, Northern Plains lies to the south of Himalayas. मतलब साउथ मतलब नीचे की डायरेक्शन, राइट? तो अब हिमालय है उसके साउथ में है, नीचे है, दैट इज द Northern Plains. Okay, so Northern Plains lies to the south of the Himalayas. Then The soil found in this area is very fertile and suitable for growing the crops. ये एरिया में मतलब ये जो नॉर्दर्न प्लेन का एरिया है that is very fertile मतलब वो soil इतनी अच्छी होती है that it is suitable for growing crops. So this was all about the northern plains. Easy? Yes. Then we will study about the desert. Desert देखेंगे आज. Okay children, so see the map. कहाँ है desert? दिखाई दे रहा है desert. Where it is the desert, 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 desert. Okay, here it is Indian desert. Children, see this area, Indian desert. दिखाई आपको समझ आ रहा है? ये रेड कलर का एरिया है, that is the Indian desert. And what is the other name of Great Indian Desert? That is the Thar Desert. Thar Desert is also known as Great Indian Desert. I can ask you in fill in the blanks or in the short objectives, dash is the other name of Great Indian Desert, or Thar Desert is also known as dash. So it's the Great Indian Desert. Children, one more thing. In this area there is very little rainfall and land is very dry. ये जो एरिया होता है वहाँ पे रेनफॉल बहुत कम होती है और लैंड भी बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई होती है. So that's why it is called desert. Okay. Then children, this area, can you see ये जो एरिया है डेजर्ट का, ग्रेट इंडियन डेजर्ट और थार डेजर्ट, वो कौन सी डायरेक्शन है? इट इज द नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ द इंडिया. कैसे? ये नॉर्थ और ये वेस्ट, सो बीच में जो है दैट इज द नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न. आई रिपीट वंस अगेन, दिस इज द नॉर्थ एंड दिस इज द वेस्ट, और बीच का जो पोर्शन है दैट इज द नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न पार्ट. So Thar Desert or Great Indian Desert is located in the northwestern part of the India. I hope this is very clear to you people. It is very easy also. Next we'll go ahead with the seventh state and its capital of the north direction. North के states देखेंगे और उसकी capital देखेंगे. So first we will start with हिमाचल प्रदेश. हिमाचल प्रदेश कहाँ है? नॉर्थ में इधर है. So हिमाचल प्रदेश का कैपिटल क्या है? शिमला. Okay. Then it is पंजाब. पंजाब का कैपिटल है चंडीगढ़. Okay. Here it is located Punjab. Here it is located Punjab, and here you can write with small handwriting Chandigarh. Please point the map or mark the map along with me. हिमाचल प्रदेश का आप शिमला लिखोगे और पंजाब का क्या लिखोगे? चंडीगढ़. Next is उत्तराखंड. Next to पंजाब is उत्तराखंड और उसका कैपिटल है देहरादून. Okay. Then it is हरियाणा. हरियाणा का कैपिटल क्या है? चंडीगढ़. Again it has the common capital. Punjab and Haryana has the common capital of the Chandigarh. उत्तर प्रदेश. Next is उत्तर प्रदेश. उत्तर प्रदेश का कैपिटल है लखनऊ. Okay. So उत्तर प्रदेश, लखनऊ. Next is राजस्थान. राजस्थान का है जयपुर. Okay children, Rajasthan capital is Jaipur. And last one is सिक्किम. सिक्किम का कैपिटल है गैंगटॉक. सिक्किम का क्या है? छोटा सा इधर दिखाई दे रहा है आपको सिक्किम, जो ऊपर की एरिया जा रहा है दैट इज सिक्किम. इट्स कॉल्ड गैंगटॉक. उसका कैपिटल है गैंगटॉक. सो चिल्ड्रन, हियर इज अ मैप फॉर यू. आपको अगर सिक्किम उधर नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है, इधर यू कैन सी सिक्किम का कैपिटल है गैंगटॉक. देन हिमाचल प्रदेश इज शिमला, पंजाब का चंडीगढ़, उत्तराखंड का देहरादून. देन हरियाणा इज अगेन हैविंग चंडीगढ़, राजस्थान का जयपुर, उत्तर प्रदेश का लखनऊ एंड सिक्किम का गैंगटॉक. So children, these are the states and capitals of the north direction. In the last video we have seen about the south direction, and in this video we have seen about the north direction. Now today we will start with the union territories and its capital. Children, as we know there are 8 union territories. We will take first 4 union territories in today's video. So 4 union territories and its capital. First is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Here it is, देखो आपको ये दिखाई दे रहा है अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड जो बे ऑफ बंगाल में है, ये वाला अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड एंड हियर इट्स कैपिटल रिटन एज पोर्ट ब्लेयर. नेक्स्ट वन इज चंडीगढ़. चंडीगढ़ का कैपिटल बेटा चंडीगढ़ ही होता है, सो यू विल बी राइटिंग एज चंडीगढ़ एज इट्स कैपिटल Chandigarh. It's called the Union Territory also. Next is Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Diu and Daman. Children, let me make you clear कि Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Diu and Daman. Okay, children, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Diu and Daman has been announced as one union territory, but since its capital city was not announced when book was published, but from 26 January 2020 their capital is announced as Daman. चिल्ड्रन बी क्लियर, पहले ऐसा था जो आपकी बुक में दिया हुआ है. दादरा एंड नगर हवेली का है सिलवासा एंड दीव एंड दमन का है दमन. बट वो चीजें ये अनाउंसमेंट होने से पहले हुई थी. सो टेक केयर, नाउ फ्रॉम 26 जनवरी 2020 से अनाउंस हो गया है दैट these both union territories is considered as one union territory. ये दोनों को merge कर दिया है और one union territory बना दी गई है और उसका capital क्या है? दमन. See children, you can see here in the map दादरा एंड नगर हवेली एंड दमन, उसका कैपिटल दीव एंड दमन, उसका कैपिटल क्या है? दमन. ओके, सी हियर इट्स गिवन दादरा एंड नगर हवेली एंड दमन एंड दीव, उसका कैपिटल है दमन. ओके चिल्ड्रन, so these are the places which we have studied as a union territory from our book. Don't get confused about anything. As much practice you will do, it will help to solve you or to make you remember fast. So जैसे जैसे मैं करवाती हूँ वैसे वैसे आपको मेरे साथ ही सारे वीडियोस के अनुसार स्टेट्स एंड कैपिटल्स एंड यूनियन टेरिटरीज एंड कैपिटल्स पॉइंट आउट करनी है. हमने 7 स्टेट एंड 7 states and capitals we have done in the last video, and today we have done more 7. So it's now 14 states and 4 union territories we have covered. Okay children, so please maintain the proper notes. That's all about today. We will study more things in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.